What up, though? First off, thank you. You downloaded and took action to get the 7-day quick start playbook to your AI cash story. But that's not the hard part. It's running the play. You're a coach, consultant, or expert with something powerful to share, but you're still struggling to get paid for your message. Your inbox is still quiet. Your content still feels confusing. Your offers aren't converting consistently. You're doing the work, posting, networking, even running ads, and you still feel like you're spinning your wheels. And if you don't fix this soon, you're going to continue asking yourself, is this even worth it? How much longer can I keep showing up with no results? Do I need to go back to that job? I left it for a reason. Why do I have to feel this way? You didn't come this far just to break even, and you're not building this brand to burn out. So posting every day, and maybe you've tried that, and without a strategy, cold DMs that feel awkward and maybe even salesy, buying courses that felt you overwhelmed and underpaid. It's not your fault. I've been there, and no one showed you how to turn your real story into a client attraction system. So that's where the AI cash story method comes in. And your girl, your coach, Adrienne May, is your AI cash story option. This isn't another course. It's not a hype funnel. It's a playbook, a system, and a strategy to capture your story, clarify your message, build your Facebook storefront, launch your nurture system, convert leads with the playbook organically in the DMs. You don't need to be a tech savvy. You don't need a big audience. You don't even need your own product. We've got 15 additional products or more ready to go. All you need is your story, and we'll show you how to make it pay for you. So Adrienne May is your AI cash story captain. That's me. I'm not your coach. I am actually leading you to the dream team, 7 and 8-figure coaches that will help you along the way. This AI dream team is real. The framework is proven, and the stories turn into paychecks. And if you're ready to run the full playbook and finally see your consistent income from your AI cash story, click the link below, book your free call, and we'll map out your path to $5,000 in the next 60 days or less. This is your playbook to paycheck moment. Suit up, show up, it's game time. Book now. Get access to the full AI cash story system, including passion over profits coaching with millionaires, funnel freedom, and AI launchpad, and get your system and your personalized strategy together. We have payment options as well as a one-time payment so that your why deserves you. Your playbook to paycheck system. AI cash story captain Adrienne May is here to help you along the way. What up, though? I can, I will, I shall be victorious. I'll see you on the call. Deuces.